In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a statement in Xero. Whether you're managing finances for your business or handling personal expenses, knowing how to efficiently send a statement is crucial. So, let's dive right in and simplify the process. Start by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find the Contacts option. Click on Contacts, and from the drop-down menu, make sure to select All Contacts. This step is essential as it brings up the complete list of all your clients and associates you have dealings with, giving you the opportunity to choose the precise individual or business entity that you would like to send a statement to. Once you're viewing your list of contacts, carefully scan through and click on the specific contact you intend to send a statement to. This action will lead you to their contact profile, which contains all the relevant information about your financial interactions with them. It's a streamlined way to keep things organized and ensures you are dealing with the right recipient. With the contact profile open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options. From this drop-down, select Send Statements. This selection is critical because it's the gateway to sending a statement directly from Xero, ensuring that all your financial information is accurate and up to date. Now, you have the choice to determine how you'd like to send the statement. Xero allows you to either print a PDF version of the statement or to send it via email. If you choose to print, it's perfect for record keeping or for sending a physical copy if needed. On the other hand, emailing the statement can be more efficient and environmentally friendly, allowing you to deliver the document instantly to the recipient's inbox. Choose the method that best suits your needs, and your recipient will have access to the financial information they require. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully sent a statement through Xero, following a few simple steps. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also contributes to smoother financial operations, whether for small business management or personal finance tracking. With these steps, you are well on your way to mastering your financial tools and enhancing your communication with clients or associates. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.